Hi everybody, I'm back for step 2. Let's recap on step 1. Step 1, I show you how to record, how to form a limited liability company, or if you want to form a non-profit organization like church and help kids, help people. This is a non-organization, okay? And now in step 1, you register your business name and you form an LLC, limited liability company, and they give you you print out a certificate that's have a 10 digit. This is your number you will need it to file EIN number, okay, to file to IRS website. So now first one, why you did first one? You did it because you need your name. You need to form the organization. You need to form your business. You need to to let the state or for when you're doing business in United States, you have to register the name. You have to register the business. Now you have your certificate with the 10-digit number on it. Now you're ready to go to the next step. You cannot escape. You cannot you cannot do the second step before the first step. No, step by step. If you go directly to do the step 2, you know what's going to happen. You're going to to miss. You're not going to get the 10 digit from your state, from your limited liability company. Now whole world knows your business, okay? Your business. If someone else, okay, if someone somehow want to get a Haitian Beauty LLC, they're not going to get it because you already take it, okay? Now let's go back to number 2. Number 2, now you need employee identification number. Even though you have no employee, you're not gonna get employee. You're working for yourself, by yourself. You're working only for you, only by you, okay? For you and by you. You don't have any employee. But you if you change your mind, if the business is booming, if your business is booming and you need some help, you need to hire your wife, you know what happened? You have to file, you have to add it, okay? You have to add a members, okay? You have to add it. But this is not the this is not the tutorial for today. So step 2, you need a EIN number. That number you're gonna get, IRS gonna give you 9 digit, okay? You work before. You got your W2 from an employer. So you see the EIN employer identification number in on your W2 tax, okay? You see. So you've been working for so long, and every year you file your income tax, and you've seen your employee 9-digit employee identification number, and then now that's the number you're gonna get. So when you file your income tax, okay, when you file your income tax as you normally do, so you gonna add when you enter your social security number, and then in schedule C you're going to put that number, employee identification number for Haitian Beauty for your business. Okay, let's get started. Now we get the certificate on step step 1. Now step 2, okay, we're going to get employee identification number and form SS4. That's the form you're gonna, if every time you need an employee identification number, you need to file form SS4 from the IRS. Let's go to irs.gov. okay, we can go to irs.gov. We can go to Google and type the same thing, business registry in New Jersey. Okay, you press enter and you go into the same. If your state not provided any link, you go to ours, just enter irs.gov and you're good to go. We look for the employee identification number. Okay, irs.gov. okay, we could go to irs.gov directly, but it's the same thing. Now the same way you file your online, okay, you file your limited liability, you register online. Now you can file the form SW2 online. Okay, you can apply online, internet, you can apply online. Okay, let's go to do it. Okay, you click apply online now. What does it mean when you apply online? It's good because right away, instantly, you get your employee identification number. Okay, it's free. You don't pay for it. Okay, IRS provide EIN number for free. You pay for to form limited liability company. You pay $125 in New Jersey. I don't know in your state, but for employee identification number, EIN number, you don't. It's free. Okay, it's free. So you apply online now. You click apply online now. You click OK and begin application. Okay, and for what you want to apply. Okay, because you form limited liability company and you select if it's for a church. Okay, a church, you can tax exempt. You apply for tax exempt, and the church don't pay taxes. Okay, that's why you have to select tax exempt for church. But you're gonna get you're gonna make a profit. So limited liability company, you select that and click continue. Because of it's not for real, I'm not gonna get a real EIN number. Is for the tutorial purpose. I'm going to work on PDF file. It's the same thing that when you click continue, how many members are in the LLC? You put 1. Okay, you put 1, only me. If it's 2 people, you put 2. If it's 1, you say 1. Select. Please select the state, territory. It's the same thing in New Jersey, and you select your your state. Okay, you select your state. You select New Jersey and click continue, and continue again. Okay, choose one reason that best describe why you are applying for EIN. Okay, because if I click continue, I'm gonna get a real EIN number, and I will show you exactly. This is the form that you're going to file. Let's do it right here. Okay, SS4. This is the same thing online. You're doing online right away, and you can print your EIN number. Okay, now this is the same question. Legal name, the name of your LLC, liability company. The name was Beauty Haitian Beauty LLC. You put your own LLC company. Trade name of business, leave it blank. Okay, if different from line 1, leave it blank. Trade name means you can have a DBA. DBA mean what I explained on first on step 1. When you got so many business and you're doing DBA, this is another tutorial. I'm not gonna get into it. Okay, now leave it blank. Number 3, executor, administrator, trustee, care of name. Your name. Okay, even though you said loud name, big name, trustees, administrator, executor, that's your name. Okay, that's your name. You are CEO. Mailing address, that's your address. 112 Carbate Street. Okay, city, state, and zip code. The city is Orange, and state New Jersey. Zip code 7. For the tutorial, you put a real zip code. This is not a real zip code. County, Union County, not country. County, where you live in. Okay, Union County. You enter Union and state. Union County and New Jersey. 5A, leave blank if different, blah blah blah, empty. Okay, 7A, name of responsible party. Okay, name of responsible party. Your name. Your name, Boluva Jean. EIN number, because you don't have EIN number yet. Even if you have one, you have to enter your social security number. Why? Because a business is not responsible for itself. A business is a person behind that business. A name, a social security number. A real person is behind that business. That means you have to enter your social security number. Okay, this is my social security number. Oops. Alright, this is my social security number. Okay, that's not a business number. This is Boluva Jean social security number, because you're responsible for a Haitian Beauty LLC. Okay, but when they send you a EIN number, EIN number, you're not gonna use your social security number again. Okay, now, is this application for a limited liability company or a foreign equivalent? The first one is true. I say yes. Okay, and a yes, enter the number, okay, of LLC members. That means how many members? It's only one. You enter one, okay, you enter number one. Now if AA is yes, was the LLC organized in United States? Yes. Okay, you enter yes. Type of entity, okay, entity could be LLC, okay, LLC is a church, you click that. Non-profit, non-profit organization, you enter that. This is a LLC, you check order and specify. Specify mean LLC or limited limited liability company, okay. This is the entity. Now you just have to check one box and scroll down. NIB, if a corporation, this is not a corporation, this is the limited liability company. Leave NIB empty, blank. Reason for applying, check only one box. The reason I'm applying for SS4, that's mean EIN number, for an EIN number, because of I'm starting a new business. You check a new business, specify type. Remember the type of business, LLC, and you could put all business, all lawful business, okay. Type and explain why here. LLC, all lawful business, start new business, all lawful business, that, okay, start new business. If yes, if you already had a business and you register already, you can, alright, because I want to open a business bank account, you can check, but it's a start a new business, and that's it, okay. Alright, scroll down a little bit, but you pick the one, it's only one, you pick the one that fill your need. Remember, let's go to step 2. When you scroll down and step 4, you need that EIN number to open the checking account, business checking account, okay. Now let's go back. 11, number 11, did business started or acquired, month, day, year, see instruction. Alright, when do you want to start? When, remember the date of the date when you form the LLC in step 1. Remember that date was March, okay, March 12, 2014. You will see the date on your LLC certificate. Alright, now step number 12, closing month of accounting year, you have to put 1. Month is December. Okay, some big company they always choose September, okay. September, when you're working, but November, December is going to be on your page, on your income tax, next income tax year, okay, next income tax cycle. But if your own business, always put December, okay, month December. That's mean every December 31st you have to close the book, you have to close your expenses, you have to close your revenue, your income, your revenue, your expenses. So let's open let's open a new area, a new discussion. Some people say, I always, think about people say, you know what, I'm not filing any business identification with IRS because I don't want to pay taxes, or I'm not going to legally apply for a or form an LLC because I don't have money. I'm just started a new business where I don't have any new I don't have any customers. Let me tell you something. I I form an LLC before I start my own business. Like I'm doing business online, selling, and then membership and everything, personal blog, and using PayPal, using other online process. Let me tell you something. It's rather pay taxes and go sleep peacefully than to deal with ours. Some are somewhere they're gonna get you. Even some people file income tax. Alright, I'm good with tax, and when they do some accounting on you, they're doing how they call it, when they're doing they go back to your tax, and I sometimes my mind is freezing. Yes, and you're gonna get in trouble. Let me tell you something. You're not gonna pay big taxes. And in some case, you're gonna get some refund. Let me tell you. Every business has expenses and expenses. When you file taxes, it's expense against income, against revenue. That's the book. That's the basic 101 accounting. Don't say why I'm not going to legally form an LLC because I'm going to pay Uncle tax, Uncle Sam taxes. I'm going to no. I'm telling you, tax is going to be low. Your tax is going to be low because your income tax is your income is against expenses. Even you have a few website, okay, a few website, but you pay hosts, you buy software, you buy hosts, storage, it's a lot expensive to maintain a website. If you're selling membership, you have to buy a software to get the membership software. You have to pay host. You have to pay the name, register the name, storage, and everything. So when you have a income or revenue for 12 months in a year, so when you file your income tax, and about your expenses, if you're gonna pay like make it thousand, you're gonna send thousand for income tax, you're gonna send to IRS $1,000 of dollars. And about your expenses, you have to put your expenses on Schedule C. Expenses going to lower exponentially. In some cases, you're not going to send any money to the IRS because of your expenses, okay? But it's rather to pay a little, and then you're in peace, okay? That's not for the tutorial, but I remember that you should know it. Don't always register your business. Okay. All right. Number 13, leave it blank, because you're not going to have employees. You're working by yourself. Okay. And number 14, blank, empty. Scroll down. Number 15, first date wages or annuity were paid. Once again, empty. Leave it blank. Not applicable. Okay. Check one box that best describes the principal activity of your business. Now, IRS don't need all lawful business. They need a specific, because when you file income tax, they give you some box to choose. He has to fall into, if you are doing any construction, real estate, rental, manufacturing, transportation, finance, insurance, healthcare, food services, broker, wholesale, retail, order. One of these, it's not specifying my business. I say, all right, I got online. You can say online, not online business. You would say, if I'm a corporate website, personal website, and I'm selling product online, you can say storage, online storage. Okay, online storage. You can say that. Okay, because it's not those boxes not for under my business. Online storage or online provider, online storage provider, or server, whatever. If you say online business, it's too broad. Okay, you have to online always storage. When you online storage, you can say that server provider, you can say that online server provider, always put online. Okay, but if you have a store, for example, because you're selling membership, you have to store some information. Okay, or you can say store information storage, whatever you say. Okay, indicate principal line or merchandise sold, specific construction work done, product 17, blank, empty. Okay, not applicable. As the applicant entity shown in line 1 ever apply for and receive an EIN number? No, this is the first time I apply for EIN number. You say yes. If it's yes, if you apply already, if you got one EIN number, and then you have to write your previous number. In my case, it's no, it's for the first time. And that's it. You done. This is for the third party. Third party is mean somebody else do it for you, but if you follow my instruction, I'm here. DIY, so do it yourself, and you don't need to file third party design. So you sign your name right here and put the date, and you done. And right away you do it right here. Okay, because I won't be able to click continue. I'm not doing a real business application, just for the tutorial. Start a new business, and they're gonna give you the EIN number. That's it. Now you have the EIN number right here. You print it out. Okay, you print out 2 to the rs.gov, you get this number like this, okay, like this, okay. 9 numbers, 9 digit, I'm sorry, 9 digit, 9 digit, like this. You get this is the number, this is your LLC, limited LLC number, certificate number. But when they send you the certificate paper, you won't see that 10 digit. You will see another numbers, like 4 5 numbers, I don't remember. But you will reserve that to apply for a bank account, business bank account. This is your EIN number. Oops. EIN number, okay. EIN number. So you've done. Let's go back to, yeah, you done, and that's it. You see, very easy to apply for employee identification number. It's very easy for your business, and you need it. You need that. Even though it's only your business. You not, even though it's not a big business, it's only a couple website or a single website. But if you're selling something in United States, if you for example, at least $50 a year, you know what? You have to report it. And I'm telling you, do it. Don't listen to anybody saying, I'm not going to register my business because I'm going to pay taxes. That's not true. That's not true. You're not going to pay big bucks like $1,000. No, because you got expense. You got expenses. So, all right. Step 2, SS4. That's how you apply. And online, you're doing online, and they give you your EIN number. Now you got 2 keys information. You have your certificate number, and you have your EIN number. You're good to go. Now step 3. You're not done yet. We're going to, on the next tutorial, we're going to show you how to do step 3. Alright? Bye. Ciao for the next tutorial.